Dzień dobry ludzie. Another week and another episode we'll have here. Today we're gonna make a very simple recipe. It's called Brodu taċ-Ċanga. In Polish it would be maltański, Rosół, wołowina. It has few ingredients. All it needs is to give it time to cook by itself on simmer. This is I think it's very similar to the Rosół, but the difference is that we use vegetables in chunks, unlike the Rosół, which is a clear broth. So, let's begin. So, I'm gonna cut the main vegetables, so we'll need potatoes. No need to be cut small, you just need to cut them in chunks. Carrots, one large one will suffice. The parsnip, Jesus, I started loving so much the parsnip. It has this nice smell and aroma. A couple of celery sticks. Two onions. And we have finally kohlrabi. In one of the episodes I was saying how much it's difficult to find them, but I managed to find them. I think it's because they're seasonal here. In Maltese we call it ġidra. Which we also call someone who is stupid. For the broad, for the wołowina, I take a piece of beef. This one is from the ribs. And I took some pieces of bones with the marrow inside. We throw in the vegetables, the meat, dwa wołowina Rosół cubes, and plenty of water to cover it. Now, put on, cover, and leave it to boil. Okay, it started to boil, so one last ingredient is tomato puree or concentrate, concentrato pomodoro, like 1 spoon. And put the brodu on the lowest heat. We want now just to be simmering for around 2 hours. So put it to the low, cover, and we'll see it in 2 hours. Okay, so 2 hours passed. You can see it's simmering here. So let's skim it a bit and serve. Now, as you can see, that's the Maltese Brodu. It smells delicious. I don't like to do it because it's already quite rich as is. But like the Rosół, some Maltese like to add some small pasta with it or some rice before serving to mix with it. But I see that it's too rich already to add those things. I mean, if you make less stuff, like you instead of 3 potatoes you make 1, and instead of a big carrot you make small carrot, maybe it will fit. But since I make it vegetable based more than anything else, I omit to make pasta or rice. One thing that I don't omit now is a squeeze of a lemon. You tell me how come? Well, on my side of my family, they like to put a wedge of lemon and squeeze it in the Brodu or Rosół. So that's what I'm gonna do. Squirt of lemon. We'll put it inside. So with that, thank you for watching again. As usual, please do subscribe so I can make more videos and continue with this rhythm. Like if you like my videos, share, and do comment if you try something out of my recipes. I will be really happy to help you out if you are stuck with something. So, see you for the next video. Bye.